Hello and welcome back to another episode of Lone Star Flavors. I am Miss Alice and we have another recipe. Come on, let's eat.
Resin got that sauce in it. Fire, 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 fire.
We having palm butter. Palm butter. That's all we're gonna have. I'll start with the seasoning. I have my basil, my mistress dash, my chicken cubes, hot pepper, seasoned salt, and my node. Okay, I have my meat, which is turkey, chicken, and beef. Here, I have my fish already seasoned, crab, and my stockfish. Let's start cooking. Preparing palm butter. You have to make sure after you strain it down with the sifter, don't let the bottom of the sauce get in the pot. When you reach into the bottom, get rid of the last sauce that is in the pot. Because, very important, most of the time, not all the time, but most of the time, the bottom have sand in it. And you don't want to eat your palm butter, you tasting sand in your food. So that is very, very important. When you do that, you will enjoy your food. Put the crab in. I love me some juicy, juicy, juicy crab. Add the stockfish. Seasoning in there. Seasoned salt. Chicken cubes. Mistress dash. Cajun seasoning. So give it that extra flavor. Rosemary. It's all about flavor, okay? Lone Star Flavors. No. My hot pepper. We need a hot pepper. And I will drop my basil in it and let it boil. Let it do its thing. And I will come back and check on it. That's it for now. The meat in there. Drop the fish and the shrimp. Say in 30 minutes we're ready to eat. But it looked very good. Looked very, very good. Let's eat. You are welcome to my table. It smells so good. I can't wait to eat. Until then, thanks for tuning in to Lone Star Flavors. Thank you. Don't forget, like, share, subscribe. All right? Thank you.